Hi, welcome to the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. I'm very sorry because after a long time I'm putting this video because of my personal commitment. So today onwards I'll continue my video as usual how I'm doing in earlier. So many students were requested me, ma'am please continue the video. So I'm continuing for you all. So I'm requesting all to give the support how you were given earlier. And today I'm going to take exam tips and tricks for nursing students. So this is a small topic because the Rajiv Gandhi exams are nearby. In this month only 22nd onwards there is a regular exam for the first BSc and the second BSc student. So I'm here you to tell some of the exam tips because most of the students are doing these mistakes regularly. So first one, in that sheet management. So Rajiv Gandhi University exams, you are getting one booklet. It is containing 50 pages of booklet. So here what you have to do is, so in this booklet there is an numbers are there top of the booklet. It was inbuilt. So here you are going inside the exam hall half an hour prior. So go through all the sheets and check for any damages. And top of the booklet there is a number will be there, question number. So if you are having the time, please keep one folding whenever the next question will be changes. So it will be a remind for you over there. So next number is a next question number. Otherwise most of the students will going on writing the answers, and they will switch on to the other question number. So this is the mistakes where the students are doing usually. So what I am telling here, so first 30 minutes you will be there inside the exam hall before exam starts. So make one mark wherever question number will be changes. So this is about a sheet management. Here only you need to concentrate here because here the question number will be there. So inbuilt question number will be there. So here only you have to mark it. I hope so it is clear with you all. The next point is read questions properly. So here after exam starts you will get the question paper. So read the question paper properly at least twice. So what will happen, you will read it once and you will make sure that okay, this is only the answer. So you are going on writing with that answers. So half of the way while you are reaches with the answers, so you will be getting confusion whether that answer and this answer will be a same or what. So again you will read the question. So that answers will be different. So here there is no extra papers will be with you. So whatever you were written, so you have to cut it and you have to write it again. So what you will be there, you will lose the marks. So what you have to do, you have to read the question paper and read the questions properly and make it understand. Once it is confirmed, then start to write the answers. Next point, marks managing. So you know that like in university exams, you will be having 10 mark question, 5 mark question and the 2 marks question. So here 5 mark question or the 10 mark or the 2 mark. So you have to categorize what is important, what question they were asked. For example, in 10 marks, they were asked with the one simple question, like for the second BSc students in community, there is a water purification. So they were asked for the 10 marks. Same question they might be asked for the 2 marks also. So here you have to make sure that 10 marks you need to explain, elaborate and you have to cover the pages. Where the 2 marks also same thing, but whichever is important that you need to write it. Okay, for example here 10 mark question, try to give one small introduction. If you are writing the introduction, make sure that you are writing the conclusion. And whenever writing the answers, try to put a schematic diagrams. So it will be easy to read the evaluators and they can evaluate easily and you will be getting a scoring marks. So here the third point, that is a marks management. Even the 5 marks also same thing. So whichever important that you write, unimportant, irrelevant, okay, might be you were studied all those things. For example, I am telling water purification only, asked for the 10 marks, 5 marks, 2 marks only. So you need to know 5 marks how much need to be written. And here clearly university in the booklet, they were given the pages. try to cover that pages. But whenever you are covering the pages, make sure that it is an important, like points you were included. So this is about a marks management. Next point, time management. For all the exam, this is very important, time management. So you will be having 75 marks questions. So you have to cover with the 3 hours. So here, like how I am practicing, that I am telling with you all, I am sharing with you all, because I am a nurse. So how I am managed with that. So for 10 mark questions, I am taking 20 minutes. So 2 10 mark questions will be there. So 20 minutes each questions I am taking. Exact 20 minutes, I am stopping that question, I am moving on to the other question. If there is a time, I will come back, then I will write it. I knew the answer, but still I am moving on to the other question. 20 minutes we have to give for the 10 marks. Next, switch on to the 5 marks. So 7 5 mark questions will be there. So each question you have to give 15 minutes, not more than that. Exact 15 minutes, stop the question, go for the another question. If there is a time, you can come back and you can complete it. Then the 2 marks, finally you will be remaining a half an hour, around 30-35 minutes. So 10 questions will be there. Try to finish it with 3 to 4 minutes. So try to finish it with the 3 to 4 minutes. So here 10 marks will be taking 40 minutes. Then 15 marks taking with 1 hour 45 minutes, because 7 questions were there. And the 2 marks will be taking with the 35 minutes. So like this you can manage with the time. I hope so. This also clear with you all. Next point, proper question number and the serial number. So this is a very important, and most of the students are doing your mistake. But here actually it is inbuilt question will be there. So no need to worry. So you will be, question numbers are there in your booklet. But make sure that there is a sub questions will be there. For example, in medical, surgical, nursing and all, question number 1 with that A question. Question number B. Whatever content it will be given in a question paper, so that you need to put outside the margin. Question number you need to put outside the margin. Only the answer and points that you have to put inside the margin. So here you need to make follow proper question number and the serial number. So once again I am telling, the question number you need to put outside the margin. Whatever question paper it will be there, question number 1 with A, B, C, whatever they gives, put outside the margin. Whatever you are writing, okay, answers, that you need to put inside the margin. Okay, next one, follow previous sample question paper. So this is also very important, follow some of the previous question paper sample. Because usually the exams they were asked questions, that is a very important questions. So you should comes to know what is the samples, 10 marks, 5 marks, 2 marks. So you can practice with that. So some are maybe having the doubts, okay, this question last asked for the 2 marks, now they asked for the 10 marks. So now we are telling, like in nursing student, most of the students are having the blueprint. Okay, so what you have to do, not only concentrating on that blueprint, you have to concentrate on the syllabus. Blueprint question papers, 100% questions, 100% they are asking. Same question, whatever 10 marks, they may ask for the 2 marks. The 2 mark question may ask for the 10 marks. So here you need to follow previous sample question papers. Next point, flow chart or schematic diagram. So mainly it is very important for the 10 marks and the 5 marks, even the 2 marks also. So 10 marks, they may ask for the types, or they may ask for the qualities, aims, scopes and all. So you will be knowing the points. So first you try to put it in a schematic diagram or in a flow chart. For example, qualities of a nurse. So there is so many qualities of a nurse will be there. So you have to put in a center, that is a quality of a nurse. Then you can put a draw picture, might be one tree or a flower or clouds, whatever, according to your creativity. The paper should be very creative and it is easy for the evaluator. So evaluator will be seeing the schematic diagram. So you are giving the rough idea about your answer. So it will be easy for the evaluator to evaluate it and you will be easily scoring the marks. And while giving the explanation, you can give a brief explanation. 10 marks only wanted and more explanation, 5 marks, 2 marks, brief explanations are enough. And the 2 marks only you will be writing this one points. Okay, so here it is a flow charts and the schematic diagrams are very important for your answer sheets. And the last point, it is a very important, study before exam. You have to study, otherwise you cannot write. Whatever I had given so many tips, it is only helpful during the day of your exam. You have to study hard and you have to get pass marks in a university exam. It is like not a by-hearting one. Read, understand it and recollect it. So whenever you are studying, you have to read it, okay, understand it and start to recalling it. Some of the very toughest, for example in first B.Sc Nursing, biochemistry, there is a cycles are there, microbiology. So cycles, every day you have to go through. So whenever you will be going through, only you will comes to know, okay, so you can recall that. And while you are studying, concentrate and study. Not like someone is seeing me, I am studying. No. So study before the exam. So these are 8 points whichever necessary for your examination. These are the small tips what I am practicing before writing my exam. So that's what I was written here and I shared with you. So whatever you had a complaints, you can put in a comments box. And so many students were requested earlier, ma'am, you are giving the notes, please try to explain that. So henceforth I am trying to explain whatever questions I am giving, so I will be explaining with that. So I am going to wind up this video. So all the best dear students for your examination. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. So we'll be meeting next video. Thank you so much.